So on this video, we are going to design the car splitter. Okay, to design the car splitter, we have to start our sketch on the floor of the car. So we sketch on the floor, normal 2. Okay, so we want the splitter to be following the shape or bigger a bit of this line. So we can sketch a line. I want the line to be from this point. Okay, then I want to align it a bit. Remove the coincident if you cannot align. Okay, and if you can move it, so I want to be alright. So similarly, one line over here. So how much you want to extend on the front? Okay, escape. So example, I want to extend a bit. Yes, I want to follow the same shape. So I still doing straight line. I only make it protruded a bit. Right. Okay. And then this will be an arc. I just use the spline from here to this point. Right. And then adjust. Okay, we can make this line. Alright. So this will be the shape of my splitter. So features, extrude. We are going to extrude until to the surface of the original splitter on this area. So I'm going to change blind into up to surface, and I select this surface. Okay, so this will be my splitter. Okay, we can redesign later, or we can just cut it or chamfer it. It depends how it goes, right? So check. So now this is my splitter. It's a bit thick, so we can make this one thin by means of sketching on this area, and then we can cut some going down. Okay, so before I chamfer, I want to make a bit lower, so I sketch on this area, sketch, and then I just convert entity. So in converting entity, I think it never follow this line, so I have to convert that line. Alright, convert, check, and then I have to trim this line, so we have to trim. Okay, now our sketch is totally the surface of the splitter. So from this point, we can just go pictures and extrude cut. But of course, we don't want to extrude all the way. So we can use offset from surface, and then we select the surface. So how much you want to be offset? So let's say I want the remaining to be only 20 mm. So the remaining board will be 20 mm, but it's look like too small. I want to have a bit chamfer in it, so I make it 30 mm. Alright, and then check. So now my splitter is glued down, but I have this area over here, so and then there is one portion that is uncut over here. So this one can be easily removed by just sketch, and then we convert entity, and then features again, then we cut. So we cut this area only, so therefore we go until there. Check. So that area is already been cut. Alright, so now we can make the either jumper or fillet. So let's see if jumper is good. So we increase. Okay, 25 too much. See, we can change the angle. Okay, so that we can increase the number on the other side. Okay, decrease the angle, then increase on one side. Alright, decrease again the angle. Maybe we put it 20. Okay, and then we increase this. That's too much, so therefore I increase somewhere here and then reduce the number. Alright, so this will be on the front. So if you want it to be all around, we do this. Okay, that's more that way. So we clear this area and then we do this. Check. So this will be the shape of our splitter. Okay, so we want also to have here. So we select this edge and then jumper also. Now we have to reduce because this is too much. Alright, there it goes. We can increase a bit, increase some more, and then reduce this one. So it doesn't go. So therefore, we increase this one, decrease, decrease, decrease. Alright. So that is how it goes. I want to make the degree higher. Alright. Check. Okay. So we get from, can also fix this area by putting also jumper. Right. So we can change the angle, can reduce. Alright, and then increase the number. 2 months and 25, 15. So maybe we put 20. And not 19, not 18. Alright. So and 18. See. Okay. So that is on our splitter side. So we want to put in something in here that goes up. Okay. So I sketch on the side, on the flat base, sketch, normal 2. Right, we want to see. So I want to convert this edge. Convert. Alright. And then I want to create offset going inside this line. Okay, maybe I put it 10 mm. Right. Check. So I put a line so that I can cut there. I want the straight line. Alright, so similarly on this line, I want until here only. Okay, then I trim the rest. Oh, it's trimmed good. Check. So it means this line is not attached to the line, so we have to do it, right? Then we trim. Okay, we trim this line. Right. By the way, this will be the side plane for the splitter. So we just adjust a bit this area around this side. Okay, and then we trim. Okay, check. Mean something is not attached, so that's the trim. This one is not attached. Check, check. Okay, right. And properties. Move it this way. Alright. So I want until here. Okay, then make they are coincident. Alright, then we trim. And then we are going to extrude. Features, extrude. So up, select this area. Okay, how high we want. Can be only like this, right? Okay, check. And then I just make this area fillet. I want the jumper. Okay, let's increase the number. I want a bit inclined. Okay, check. So we can make this one fillet a bit on the side. Fillet. Okay. Let's see. Right, that should be okay. I also put it on the side. Alright. So check. Alright, this is now our splitter that we put to our car. Okay. So we can also add some canard here if we want to. Okay. Want to have, let's say, one canard, we can just put in. Alright, to put in, we can just make this one transparent. And then I want the canard to be here. Okay, I will sketch on the right plane. Normal 2. Okay, I want it above there. So I will make one spline here. And then escape. I just adjust it. Should be nice. Okay, maybe I put 2. One more. Okay, escape. And then extrude. 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 Okay, here select. You see, we make it solid so that you can see. We extrude all the way. Right, check. So there is the 2 canard.